is Miss Monique. We're going to learn beginning sounds. J, K, L, Okay, let's start now. What picture is this? Yes, that is hat. Hat. So what is the missing letter here? Now, Rosa wants to find the missing letter behind the house. Rosa wants to go to the first house. Knock, knock. Is that letter? No. Go to the second house. Is that letter? No. The last house. Is that letter? Yes. Hat. Hat. Next. What picture is this? Jug. Jug. Rosa wants to go to the first house. Is that letter J? No. Next. Is that letter J? No. Last one. Is that letter J? Yes. Jug. Jug. Next. What picture is this? This is kite. Kite. Rosa wants to find letter K. Is that letter K? No. Is that letter K? No. Is that letter K? Yes. That's letter K. Kite. K. This is letter K. What picture is this? Lion. Rosa wants to go to the first house. Is that letter L? No. Second house? Is that letter L? No. The last house? Is that letter L? Yes. Lion. Lion. What picture is this? Yes, that's monkey. Monkey. Now Rosa wants to go to the first house. Is that letter M? No. The second house. Is that letter M? No. The last house. Is that letter M? Yes, that's letter M. Okay, do you understand, friends? Now let's go to our worksheet.
It's time to do our worksheet. As usual, don't forget to write your name here and then write the date. Okay, now the instruction is fill the missing letter. Picture is hat. Hat beginning sounds with hat. This is letter hat. Okay, and then jug. This is jug. 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 Start with letter J. This is letter J. Okay. The third picture is kite. 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 Beginning sound is? Yes. K. This is letter K. Okay. Next. This is, what picture is this? Yes, that's lion. Lion. So, start with letter L. Okay, the last picture is monkey. Monkey. Start with letter M. Okay, that's all for our worksheet. Thank you. See you on the next video. Goodbye.